स्टूडेंट्स प्रीवियसली हमने प्रीवियस जो स्ट्रिंग के कुछ फंक्शंस देखे थे. नाउ वी आर डूइंग नेक्स्ट फंक्शंस. Python allows us to ordinal position of single character. Actually we know it ASCII value. So RD is the function. What is the meaning of ASCII value? The meaning of ASCII value is it will convert from character to numeric value and numeric value to character value. This will convert it. So ORT is the function which will convert from character to numeric, and CHR is the function which will convert from numeric to character. So this thing, how to apply it? We can open Python. Python ideally, and directly we can perform it. ORD single quotes A, it will print 65. If we perform ORD single quotes capital C, it will print 67. If I print ORD single quotes A, it will be 97. Now what does it mean? 65 to 90 capital A to capital Z, 97 to 122 small abcd small a to small z. These are the sequence for asking value. If we are inputting character value, it will generate numeric value, and if we are inputting numeric value, it will generate character value. ORD is the function which convert character to numeric, and CHR is the function which will convert numeric to character. CHR capital small a 97. Sorry. CHR 97. So these are the things which I have explained it. ORD and CHR is the function. Now next is string slicing. The meaning of slicing is it will be divide or part. As we know, slice means part of it. So slicing is a process of extracting part of a string in. We already discussed unique index. You already know. String characters have their unique index from length forward to backward. If we are putting left to right, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If we are putting right to left, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. The string always perform this. Now these are the things. String, how wonderful. Explain it. 0 to 6. I'm explaining through. Even I'm also explaining through program also. But for as far as str1 equals to like Renters International School. Now str1 0 to 6. It will print it 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4, 5 less than 1 execute it. Remember this thing. 6 character will print it, but again it will be starting from 0 to n-1. Why n-1 is putting? Because we are starting from 0. Indexing 0 start. So 0 to 6. str 0 to 3. Sorry. str1 actually. Red. I think clear the concept. DER -1 to -3. Same we can apply it str1 str1 Again I am starting Python IDE. str1 equals to wonderful single quotation. str1 minus 1 colon minus 3. str1 0 colon 3 1 str1 first minus 1 colon minus 3 minus 3 colon minus 1 d minus 3 से start होके minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 3 से start होके minus 1 पहले जो आएगी रेंज वो स्टार्टिंग रेंज हायर आएगी. दिस थिंग यू रिमेंबर इट. सेम थिंग str1 minus 4 colon minus 2 and so these are the things which is required. It we know it how to perform string, how to perform string and slicing. Suppose I say str1 minus 3 d. That means it will start from minus 3, but it will be and whenever the remaining string characters are required, whatever remaining characters are there, it will display. So I think clear it the concept. Zero to 3 to less, minus 1 to minus 3. This is wrong. This will not display it exactly. Minus 3 minus 1 correct. Minus 3 0 correct. 3 3 correct. 3 4 correct. Minus 5 minus 2 correct. Yes, this thing colon minus 2. That means it will start from starting. str1 colon minus 2. Wonder. That means minus 1 minus 2. So WOND एक कम चलेगा. Again it will reduce 1. Next. Colon minus 1. It will reverse it. Very important. Very good. str1 colon minus 1 step REDNOW wonder. So first thing is starting, second thing is ending, and third thing is uh, step. Now interesting slicing. For example, string equals to wonderful. String 1 colon n plus string n, output will be wonderful. Why it will be wonderful? Because 0 to n minus 1 it will display 0 to uh, for any index position n will you give original string plus this one. str1 then it will start it. str1 I repeat it. Python str1 equals to wonderful. str1 colon n plus str this will generate the error because n is not defined. Now 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 str 1 0 colon 8 colon 8 plus str 8 colon str1 0 colon 8. This will print it. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So str1 0 colon 9. It will print it. Same thing we can print it. str1 9 colon 0. str1 9 colon it will display single quotes. Why it is displaying single quotes? So best option str1 minus 9. This is the overall execution. So remember this thing. str110 will give error because str1015 will not give error because they return empty string 10 to 15. Why it is 10 to 15? Because total chain number is not defined. Now next is this is the program. First is string pattern program. I have already created a string pattern program. Just open it. String pattern. Now this is the way. Here this sign is print. I have taken this sign string pattern equals to single quotes. That means space will put it. For I in range 5. The meaning is it will print 0 to 5. Pattern equals to pattern plus string. So I'll print it. First 1 will print, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. How it will print it? Just see it. First it will 0. So pattern is equals to pattern plus string. मतलब space plus string मतलब first position value string 0. Then I equals to 1. Pattern is already assigned single this sign plus string again second sign. So 2 times it will print it. Next time 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. This is the way to print it. ये उसका तरीका है जिससे हम प्रिंट कर सकते हैं. ये now it will print it name. Name equals to input any string. That means input is the function which we are taking accepting input. For I in range 0 length name plus 1. Total length is suppose my son Nilesh, so 6 plus 1 7. That means total 6 will print it. Because always range function always work 0 to n minus 1. Print name 0 to I, 0 colon I. That means 0 location से I location तक. Name Nilesh. ये. First will print, second will print, third will print. This is the approach. Next. Now some of the functions are length function. We are already assigned it string Python print string length. Length will print it total 6. Capitalize. It will print capital. String dot capital. I use it. String dot capitalize. Title भी use कर लेते हैं हम. Title अपन. Here is shell mode. str1 equals to str1 dot capitalize. first is capital. str1 dot title, it will print Nilesh. str1 dot upper, it will print capital. So these are the functions: upper, lower, lower, it will print lower. Lower. Now substring, the meaning of substring is it will return a part of a string. So sub-str, start or end. Count, str1 dot count India, it will print in count India. So count is the function which will count the string. So this function is used to find the number of occurrence of substring in our string. If we give optional starting is from 0 and search begin, count substring we can give optional starting index from where search begin and also index up to index which is string. It will search and count. It returns 0 if the string not found. So print str1 dot count. I love India. Now function is str1 dot count India. str again starting str1 revising count will print it 0. str1 now str1 st1 equals to I love India. Now print st1 dot count India. It will print it one time. If it is 2 times, it will display 2 times. That is the most important thing. India 10. st1 count India 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Count is not defined. Count India st1 ही तो है. Print st1 count India गड़बड़ है. ये वाला है. So it will come again. Find str India. Find कर दो उसको. एट पोजीशन पे है और वही चीज हमको करना थी वहां पे. Count is not defined because whatever position we are defining will not display it. I love India. Not or India is the best. st1 equals to single quotes में I love India. Country. Ten not defined. India. str find 10. So it will give error. Now next is again love. I love India. India's best. O indexing 3. 0 1 2 3 मतलब fourth position. Is alpha numeric. Test 1 2 3 str is alpha. True. str test 1 at the rate print str1 dot is alpha. False. So is alpha also. Is alpha means check the alphanumeric. Is lower, check the lower. Is upper, check the upper. Is alpha. I am 1 2 3. Single quotes string. Print str1 dot is alpha. It will false. अल्फा है, इस अलनम ISALNUM STR1 E2. And if I say then is lower चेक कर लेते हैं, is lower. So I think I hope you have cleared the concept of string. Again, some of the short I'm again explaining is space, is alpha is clear, is alpha is alphabets, is digit, check the digit. Digit means numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Split means divide the part. Message equals to India my country, words equals to message dot split, print words. India is my country. Separate कर दिया, it will separate it. So where we put it, split it. Single quotes coming it, and here separated by comma. All the things are same. The strip characters, it returns a copy of a string with leading and trial wide space. Leading means left side, trial means right side spacing. Strips. It returns a copy of a string with leading white space removed. इससे लीडिंग स्पेस रिमूव होती है. इससे दोनों एल स्ट्रिप से लेफ्ट साइड, आर स्ट्रिप से राइट साइड, स्ट्रिप से दोनों साइड, बोथ द साइड. स्ट्रिप एमसीओ पाइथन फॉर सीएस. रिप्लेस भी कर सकते हैं. सी आई सी एवरीवन सी. Program to enter string and count how many uppercase, lowercase digit words present. See input D U I W. Is lower से लोअर काउंट हो जाएगा, इज अपर से अपर काउंट हो जाएगा, इज डिजिट से डिजिट काउंट हो जाएगा. और स्पेस के लिए आप ये भी रख सकते हो, और आइदर यू कैन यूज इट इज स्पेस. तो स्पेस से क्या होगा, वर्ड के बीच में जो स्पेस होगी वो काउंट हो जाएगी, जिससे वर्ड आपका काउंट हो जाएगा. तो टोटल अपर केस लेटर दिस वन, टोटल लोअर केस लेटर दिस वन, टोटल डिजिट दिस वन, टोटल वर्ड्स दिस वन. यहाँ दिया भी कॉमन पासवर्ड इज पासवर्ड 1 2 3 2 12 3. I think I hope you clear the concept of string. So that's all for today. If you have any doubt, you can ask on group.